Hey, there's Bob from Trade Genius. I'm trying something new here. A little picture in a picture. And just let me know if you guys like it or if I'm scaring the children. But I want to just go through a couple ETFs here and also talk about some potential opportunities for next week. And it's easy to show these things from an ETF standpoint. You get a sense for what industry groups or sectors that might outperform along with that ETF. So I'm looking at SPY we talked about earlier today, so I'm not going to get into it again. And then the next one here you're going to see is the emerging markets, EEM. Should come up here in a sec. And it's bouncing underneath the moving average and the VWAP. And although the direction turn and money flows looks like it's ready to turn, it's not a trade that I like to take because the dollar's been strong. It could very easily come right back down again. I like to see it break out, and I'll show you when it's breaking out in a second. Financials look the same. If they break through, then we'll look at some bank opportunities for potential trades. Okay, here we have the Brazil index, which is just this, and this is by volume. The reason why I'm putting these up there. And Brazil is just an absolute mess. And any opportunity that you get to push up here is definitely look for opportunities to short this or buy puts on Brazil. The country's imploding. So the Qs look strong. I think they're going to maintain strong. If SPY moves up, and here's my area for resistance here and here. This is the Bollinger Band, 2 standard deviations from the moving VWAP. It takes a lot of effort to get up to here. Here's 5% of the same move, and again, the market likes to swing back and touch base, and it's even getting pretty stretched from its moving average too. So like to see it push up here, and then look for a consolidation back down again, like we had here in the beginning of May. And then here, TVIX, just stay away. We have VXX puts on. And I'm just thinking now into the Fed meeting, unless they try to just do some shake the tree stops and things of that nature, I think this thing's gonna TVIX is gonna continue to go down. It's not a good thing anyway. I'd rather just buy SPY puts. I've learned valuable lessons trying to go long TVIX, and it's a drug with a nasty hangover. Okay, that's also emerging markets, world markets. GDX, I own GDX, but I own it for a different reason, because I think the silver miners are absolutely undervalued right now, and I'm looking to definitely looking for it to explode out of here, shortly, like 2018, and what's happening in Europe, what's happening in Asia, what's happening in China. There's definitely going to be a rush on for hard assets, and I just don't want to wake up and chase, so I'm just staying with it. I'll sell calls against my positions occasionally, but GDX, and I have dust puts as well. And then there's VXX. I'm not surprised, big move, but we shorted it and we have puts on, and I'm looking for this thing actually to come down and to test here and to test here and make some good money. Almost probably will make my month of June if it does what I want it to do. And then here's the one I want to show you before I stop. It's FXI. It's breaking up and it's breaking out. So it broke the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, if you're a buy low, sell high kind of person, you should have took a hard look here. If you like it when moving averages cross over, you'd have took the trade here. Here's the trend dots right here that hit, that said, hey, the down move has completed. And then now here's like the most conservative is you have moving average breached, you have VWAP breached, everything's yes, and you have an embedded money flow, which means multiple periods where it's above the 80 line. So FXI should be one that we should take a good hard look at, and I think it's a great opportunity to catch a breakout and have this thing maybe run between 6 and 10%. Anyway, thanks for listening, and appreciate your feedback on on the window in the window thing if you like it or don't like it. Thanks, bye.